The machine-assisted chest dip predominantly trains the lower chest in its lengthened position. To set up, for narrower bodied people, rotate the handles to their narrower position. For wider bodied people, rotate them to their wider position. Step onto the platform and then place your knees on the pad. Grab the handles toward the very end, aiming to stack your wrists under your elbows, creating a vertical line with your forearm. To make this a chest-focused dip, we need to lever our torso forward. We can do this by placing our knees to the very front of the pad, pushing our hips back and levering our torso forward away from our hips. Doing this properly should allow you to stack your wrists under your elbows and reduce tricep engagement. Lastly, to line things up more for the chest, pull your shoulder blades down toward your hips. For the action, on the eccentric, lower yourself with control, ensuring you feel a good stretch in your chest in the bottom position. On the concentric, press the handles away, focusing on squeezing your bicep against your chest. For proper alignment, maintain a forward torso lean and keep your wrists stacked underneath your elbows, maintaining a vertical line with your forearm.